Hey, welcome into my kitchen. Today I want to show you a good recipe for making some chicken wings. Now, these chicken wings, and I use the portions, and the other one's got too much white meat on it. I'd rather go with the dark meat. You can eat more of these anyway, and they're easy to cook up. So anyway, they've been hanging out in a bath of Salt Lake chicken bath for a few hours, and I've never used this stuff before, so I'm going to try it out for today. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take these chicken first. Let me sprinkle just a little bit more on here. Okay. Now I'm going to take these chicken wings. Put them in my handy dandy shaker here. Now you're gonna like this. It is cool. Makes it a lot easier. It's got three sections: a top and a bottom and a middle with the holes in it so the flour can go through. So, round and around and around and around, up and down. Up and over. Do it again. Want to make sure all your wings are coated. Okay, I think that's pretty good right there. Okay, now I've got some oil right here, and the temperatures for cooking wings are 325 to 350. So that's what you need to cook them at. And I'm going to be cooking these things about five minutes on each side. That should be plenty. And I have about 3/4 of an inch of oil in here. Now, you're probably gonna have to cook these about 10 minutes on each side. I'm gonna start turning them over now. Looks like 10 minutes on each side at 350. But if you've been cooking for a while, and if you see that they're getting done too fast, well then by all means take them off. I try to relay as much valuable information as I can. Sometimes it's just a gut feeling, you know, when you're cooking. And sometimes it comes out good, sometimes it comes out bad. So we're going to cook these for another 10 minutes, and then it's off to getting them seasoned up right. That's where the real magic comes in. Okay. These wings are at a golden brown, so I'm going to start taking them out. These things are good, I guarantee you. Nothing is quite like cooking food your way. I mean, I know wings at places are good, and you go out and you have some camaraderie with your friends. But if you like to cook at home, you find good recipes that you like, that you want to share with people. Look how golden brown these things are. Doesn't it look nice? Okay, the next step I'm going to do, this is where I get a little creative, is I'm going to take a tablespoon or two of Hoisen sauce. You just don't know how good this stuff is. And I'm going to put the wings in here. And I'm going to do it just like you do at Wingstop. Shake these bad boys up and get them coated. Looks like I need another spoon of this. I think I've got them sufficiently coated. Okay, I think I've got them sufficiently coated. Now, I'm going to put some more in here. But to give it a little bit of a Hawaiian flair, I'm going to add a little bit of pineapple juice. Doesn't take much, just a splash. There you go. Doesn't that look pretty? Take a look at that. Doesn't that look pretty? I think it does. Okay, now see how they taste. Oh yeah. The hoisin sauce really does a good job on these wings. Mmm. Now let's see what the ones with the pineapple juice taste like. You know, I don't think there's really that much difference. It probably diluted the hoisin sauce a little bit, but all in all, they both taste good. So if you want to taste a bit more Hawaiian style, maybe you could add a little bit more pineapple juice, or even some orange juice. So anyway, these wings turned out really good, and that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Thanks for dropping by. That's all I got. Enjoy.